long enough to hear your sweet words.
Stem cell therapy is a natural healing process.
End of the day.
Bone marrow resident stem cells are exposed to a secretion of growth factors and differentiate into angiogenic cell precursors, also known as ACPs.
I just have to hear.
Buildup of plaque obstructs the blood flow in the artery,
Spoken like
leading to a lack of sufficient blood and nutrient supply to the heart.
all you love.
ACPs, attracted to the ischemic area by growth factors, migrate through the vessel wall into the damaged tissue, then form new blood vessels and also repair the damaged tissue. For the treatment, ACPs will be increased in the laboratory and implanted back into the body by standard cardiac catheterization. The catheter is inserted into the coronary vessel until it reaches the blocked area. The doctor will inflate the balloon and use an attached syringe to inject the cells into the ischemic area. ACPs possess the ability to differentiate into endothelial cells involved in the forming of new blood vessels and the repair of existing vessels. This technology is very safe and can alleviate symptoms that impair the quality of life of patients who suffer from severe heart disease.